Listen, people, to a story that unfolds right here and now, about the builders in the cities and the crowds who only scowl. On the high ground stood the makers, forge of steel and code and sweat. They raised the towers, built the engines, gave the world what it ain't got yet. Go ahead and curse your neighbor, go ahead and claim his gain. Do it in the name of fairness, you can virtue signal all the same. There won't be any horns a-blowing when the reckoning comes round. On the hollow morning after, one empty hand rides out of town. So the voices from the lowlands shouted up with righteous fire, share your profits, share your power, or we'll take it, it's our desire. The creators sent a message back, come and join us, build alone. There's enough for all who labor, we don't need to make you wrong. But the takers sneered and rallied, equality means ours by right. Redistribute, regulate, seize it, we'll sleep better in the night. Go ahead and curse your neighbor, go ahead and claim his gain. Do it in the name of justice, you can justify the pain. There won't be any horns a-blowing when the reckoning comes round. On the hollow morning after, one empty hand rides out of town. So they marched with signs and mandates, tore the workshops, broke the chains, taxed the spark till it stopped burning, silenced voices, stopped the rains. Factories stood like empty shells, jobs went quiet, streets grew dim. Innovation packed its suitcase, left the valley on a whim. When the dust finally settled, no more treasure left to find, just a message carved in silence, prosperity's in the mind. They'd killed the golden goose for feathers, thought the gold would pour like wine, but the well ran dry forever, and the takers stood in line. Go ahead and curse your neighbor, go ahead and claim his gain. Do it in the name of heaven, you can justify the shame. There won't be any horns a-blowing come the judgment day. On the barren morning after, one empty hand rides away. One empty hand rides away.